Okay, this is what just came out. Alex is gonna grab me that blow mold Christmas tree right there. Hey guys, my name is Missy, and I'm a full-time reseller, a thrifter, a picker, or better yet, a treasure hunter. I love digging and hunting for treasures in the wild, just searching for that perfect piece. You can find me picking garage sales, thrift shops, flea markets, and yes, even some curbs. So come along on this adventure, and let's go do some picking. Hey guys, it's Missy with Junk to be Loved, and I'm back with another picking video for you guys today. I'm at the Goodwill bins again for another treasure hunt. It is cold. We're supposed to be getting a snowstorm in like an hour, so I'm not going to be up here for very long, but I figured I might as well come up for a little bit and see what treasures we can find. So let's get our butts inside. Oh my goodness, it is freezing outside. Like really, really, really cold today. You can feel the snow is getting ready to start. Up north, they've got freezing rain. I hope we don't have any freezing rain here. But it's cold. Brr. Hello everyone. If you love vintage and enjoy these picking and thrifting videos, go subscribe right now for more content. If you like to see these videos and more of them, go subscribe. Plus it really helps my channel out a lot. Thank you. Brr, my poor hands are freezing. Okay, let's start right here like always. Hey, it's a llama. Reminds me of Merle. Merle and Tammy. I don't see anything in there. It's somebody's pottery made piece vase. No, I don't want none of that. A little tea light ceramic Christmas tree, but I don't need that. I got to be picky with what I buy. Careful. Careful, Messy. Jeesh. I like this. I don't think it's anything special, but I like it. Oh, those are cute. That's party light. Cute snowman. I went to the flea market. Oh, he's broken. I went to the flea market this past weekend and got a bunch of stuff. If you guys haven't checked out that video, go watch it. I got some amazing vintage Christmas pieces. These look full, so I'm wondering if they just brought these out. They probably did, I would assume. Because they're all full, but there's just nothing really that I want in them. It's broken. That's old. This is Italy. It's broken. Music box. All kinds of stuff in here. Oh, they're bringing out bins. They're bringing out soft bins. Soft ones, a soft row. Those are cute. Careful. Careful, message. It's a lid to some milk glass piece. Cute. Cute, cute. Oh my goodness, Missy, be careful. Things are slamming around everywhere. All right, let's go this way. Around the row. See if we can find anything in this side. He looks like Jim Shore, but he's not. He's cute. I like the ball jar. The ball jars. Somebody was asking $10 a piece for those. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Ooh. Not really seeing much. And music is blaring. I might run over and see if there's anything in the soft, the new soft when they bring it out. Hey, how are you? All right, we're gonna go look at the hard. All right, well, this was the last hard row that they did, my friend Deb said. So we are gonna dig in here. Hopefully I can find just at least a couple good things before I have to leave to go home. Oh, here comes the soft row. I like the Mickey ornament. Maybe I'll make like a Christmas. Oh, nope, never mind. He's broken. He's missing an arm. I was gonna say maybe I'll make a Christmas bundle or something. He's cute. Like a Christmas treasure bag or something. Maybe that's what I'll have to do. Oh, I'm definitely getting him. I like him. You pull his string and he moves. Put him in there. Well, I was gonna reach for this Rudolph book, but on my way to reach for the Rudolph book, I found this cute little kitty cat boot. He's got a little bit of a rough tail, but he's too cute to leave behind. He doesn't weigh hardly anything, so that'll be coming home with me. I have my coat in there. Okay, now I want to see if I can get this book somehow. There we go. And it's not a book, it's just a record cover with no record inside, unfortunately. It's in rough shape, or else I would take it. A little golden book. I will take that to do a golden book lot. Some mushrooms that can go into a little treasure bag, and he is missing his hands. Maybe somebody could craft with him or something. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do, guys, is just make a treasure bag, because they can't stay for very long. What I have found. Oh, yep, see, looking good. Some little Shopkins. These will definitely go into a treasure bag. Oh, that one is staying behind because it's just the box. But I'll take those two little ones. Stick them in a treasure bag. I'll stick flour into a treasure bag. Is this angel broken? Nope. That little glass angel will go in there as well. Look at this vintage Michelangelo plushie. I have a friend in here that is doing plush. So I'm going to see if he wants it. He might have just actually put it back. And then I found this. It's a Flintstone scarf. Flintstone scarf. That is so fun. Who wouldn't want a Flintstone scarf? That's so cool. Oh, that's creepy. I do see this little guy laying down here. It'd be cute for somebody's gallery wall. It's an older piece. Stick that in there. Oh, that's broken. It's a broken kitty cat ghost? Bat? Who knows? Who knows what that is? There's a jewelry box in rough shape. Really dirty. There's a whole bed set or something in there. Rugs, maybe. It was heavy. Found another little dude to add to the Christmas treasure bag. He's cute. Stick him in there. That Santa's made out of wood. He's like a solar Santa. There's a cute gnome. That's neat. I'll stick that in my cart. Somebody might like that. Pretty cool. Enjoy the little things. Isn't that the truth? Who wants to be miserable? Oh, look at that kitty cat pillow. I need to look these up. These are the vintage Sexton wall decor pieces made in the USA. And I found two. So I need to see if this is a 2-piece set or a 3-piece set. But I like those. I really do like those. Those are nice. Oh, this bin is kind of hard to dig in with all the stuff in it. Whoa. That's glass. Just when I said I needed to find the third one, here it is. So now there's 3. I have a 3-piece set here. That's pretty cool. So I wonder if that's it, if there is, if there's, or if it's a 4-piece set now. Look at this old thing. It's broken, so I'm not gonna get it, but it's got some really cute graphics on the inside of that cash register. Cute. Wish it wasn't broken. Oh, bath bombs. That'll go into the treasure bag. Since I stuck flour in there, why not, right? Ooh, that's got a pin sticking out of it. I'm gonna close that so nobody gets poked. Maybe. There we go. There's a big Polly Pocket. Stuck. It's missing all the little Pollys in it. And it is from 2021. Oh, I wish that would have been in better shape. It's all falling apart. Darn it. I would have put that into the Christmas treasure bag. I will stick that into the Christmas treasure bag. Yeah. Well, I can't really say Christmas treasure bag because some of it's not going to be Christmas probably. I guess it just depends on what I find today. It's broken. Oh, I wish that wasn't broken. I like butterflies. Now this is a really, really cute piece. I'm gonna plug it in. I hope it lights up. Those kids are really cute in there. The Rise and Shines Bacony Campbell's plugs in. I like it. I hope it works because it's just so cute. Oh, look at those vintage Fila's shoes in rough shape. Welcome to the tree farm. Merry Christmas. Oh, I'm gonna stick her into a Christmas treasure bag. It's old. Oh, that's a cute glass one. Here's another oldie. He's just a light cover, but he's old. Maybe somebody can craft with him or something. Treasure bag it. That's all I'm basically finding today. Small stuff for treasure bags. They haven't brought out any new rows since I've been here. It's been super slow. Here's another one of those glass ornaments. It's an old metal jet plane. So something was telling me to go over to the new soft bins when they brought them out. Now this is a cutter quilt. You can see it is in rough shape, but it is very, very old. So I'll be taking that home with me. Oh, these are so cute. I love the little Dutch boy and girl on those. Those are really old. I'm gonna stick those in my cart. Somebody might like those. Those were cute. All right, they just took away this row of hard goods and they're gonna bring out a new one for us to dig in. Hopefully some good stuff. I'm actually not doing too bad. Whole bag of Christmas. Okay, this is what just came out. Alex is gonna grab me that blow mold Christmas tree right there. And then there's a Santa down here that I'm gonna grab. But we're waiting for one more bin. Oh, look how pretty Alex's nails are. Yeah. gonna say go any minute.
Make sure that you're being respectful. Go ahead.
Yay, thank you, Alex. Oh, he's got a chain. Thanks. Thank you. This guy. I'm passing on this guy. He's just too rough. He's new anyways. So, but my friend Christine just found this. This is an old one. This is glass. A glass washboard. So I'm not doing too bad today. All right, guys. Well, I have had enough for the day. The snow is starting to fall big time, so we're gonna go clean out our cart, go check out, go home, and get right into the haul. Okay, we're back from the Goodwill bins, and I spent a total of $22 today. I did pretty good. I'm beat, and I made it home before it got terribly, terribly bad. I did slide in a couple places. It got pretty slick out. It's snowing right now still. That's Iowa for you. But what can you do? Anyways, I spent $22, so I'm going to show you everything that I got right now. This was one of the things that I picked up. Absolutely love this piece. This is a glass washboard. You don't see the glass ones very often. Most of the time these are metal, but this is glass. And it's the Crystal Cascade Columbus Washboard Company. And then on this side it says standard family size, manufactured by Columbus Washboard Co. So pretty nice, really, really nice display piece. And like I said, that's really nice with it being glass. And with it being in the bins, no chips or cracks or anything, in great condition, I'll take it. And then I was super excited about this. Alex grabbed this for me. Absolutely love it. It is missing one, unfortunately. I have some of these. I'm going to see if I have some bigger ones. Maybe I can replace it. Wait, where's it missing at? That is just black spots that need to be cleaned up. I did see, oh, right here. Right there. So, other than that, just needs a light cord in it. It is a Union Products, made in the USA. So, these are quite pricey, especially if they're in good condition. The tabletop blow molds. And that's one that you do not see very often. The Christmas tree. I picked up these. I love these. Really cute. Wooden Dutch shoes, bright yellow. With the little Dutch people. Oh gosh, it's not one to focus very well. With the little Dutch people. They're so cute. Great condition. So, I thought those were neat. I picked up this cute little ceramic egg because the other day I picked up that piece and I thought that I would pair them together. I thought they looked really cute together. So, those. I might just go ahead and put them back for Easter. They'd probably sell better during Easter time, but. And then I picked up this. I love, love, love this piece. It is in great condition. I plugged it in. It does work. You can see the cute little Campbell's kids in the window. It lights up. Here's what it's marked on the bottom right there. And I will post comps right there so you can see what they sell for. But I thought it was a really nice Rise and Shine bakery. Love that. Especially for Christmas time. And I picked up this really cute Flintstones scarf. Isn't that fun? It's got Wilma, Pebbles, Betty, Fred, Barney, Bam Bam. It's just cute. I liked it. So I thought somebody would like that. I found one hanky today, just one, unfortunately. So I will put that with the other hankies that I have. I picked up that cute little vintage silhouette picture. I like it. It's breaking. Here, hold on a second. Oh. With the TV on, it makes the lighting change on my videos. And I don't like that. So, there, see, breaking away. Not nice. So I picked up that. And then I picked up this. I thought that was a really neat sculpture with the dolphins. I need to do my research and see. I didn't see it marked anywhere. But those are like the same color as like ivory. I know that they probably aren't. They're probably just plastic. But still, isn't that neat piece with them on the wires like that? I thought that was pretty cool. And then my friend Christine gave me this. Really nice. Now, see, we're almost positive that it is fake. But, I mean, I honestly never ever know. I'm not good with purses. It feels like lambskin leather, I think is what she said. It's got the Chanel. I love it, to be honest. Isn't that nice? No rips, tears, holes, or stains. It is in perfect condition. I'm going to unzip it. And then it says Chanel Paris. And that says Chanel on the little tag right there. And then it's marked the CC on that side. I don't know. But I like it. It's a little dirty on the inside. It does need cleaned up a little bit on the inside. But other than that, it's a really nice purse. Like, a really nice purse. Isn't that cool? I like that. And I picked up some vintage, a whole bag of Christmas, and there's stuff for a treasure bag in here. I don't know. I'm probably going to separate some of it out, but I'll show you quickly what I stuck in this big bag. So that wreath, I like to do little Christmas bundles. That little elf, this little nativity, and it's vintage. It says Hong Kong on the bottom. This little beaded coin purse, Santa. It's a glass, very nice, thick glass bulb, and there's what the tag's marked. I really like it. It's like cut to clear. So, very cool. That Santa, he is missing his arms, but he's going in the craft. All this is going to, I figured somebody might be able to craft. See how she's missing a wing. It's the old plastic ones. So, I just figured somebody might want to craft with them. I picked up this wooden Santa. He's cute. This vintage Santa. That one. The glass angel. It's really pretty. That. Thought that was cool. Pixie head ornament. this dancing Santa, or snowman, I mean. He's wooden. You pull his little string right there and he moves. So I thought he was cool. That plastic Santa, that plastic caroler, that flocked Santa, and then 3 mini brands. Only 3. The little Tinkerbell figurine, figure, that, and that. So I might just put those in a different bag so those can go in a treasure bag because the rest of it's all Christmas. So I'll probably put all the Christmas here in one lot together. It's not gonna, I'm gonna have to get a bigger baggie, but you can't even shut the bag. That's how full it is. So that's pretty cool. It's a lot of Christmas. And then I picked up this cute, adorable ceramic kitty cat on a boot. It's in Esco. It's Japan. It's got its original sticker. Like I said, it does have a little bit of a rough tail, but it's a cute little kitty cat planter on a boot. How adorbs. Thought that was fun. And then I did find 3 of them. I think these come in a set of 4, but I was only able to find 3, and that's okay because 3 is still a set. And they are the Sexton metal wall decor pieces. They are marked on the back right there, as you can see. And they're so nice. They're like the metal wall decor pieces. Very mid-century. Absolutely love these. Super fun for a gallery wall in your vintage home. And then the last thing that I picked up was this vintage quilt. This vintage quilt. I will lay it. It's a cutter quilt. It is rough. See, it does have a lot of wear. It is very old. It is a cutter quilt. But it was too nice to leave behind. And our Goodwill bins charges $4.99 for blankets and quilts and stuff like that. So I didn't want to leave it behind. But I will lay it out right here and put the size so you guys can see what it looks like all laid out. I don't know if I should try to throw it in the wash or just sell it how it is. It does have wear. Like I said, it does have wear. Some spots and holes and stuff. But it's pretty. So, like I said, I didn't want to leave it behind. So, that was everything I got today for $22 at the Goodwill bins. I think I did quite well for $22. What do you guys think? Comment below and let me know what your favorite thing was that I got today out of the Goodwill bins. And as always, if there's anything you're ever interested in, you can always send me an email. My email is junktobeloved@gmail.com. All lowercase letters, no spaces. The link is in the description below as well. I can let you know if I will sell it outright or if it will be available in a live sale. Most everything that you see me pick up will be available in my live sales, which I host right here on my YouTube channel every Sunday evening at 6 p.m. Central Time. So if you go subscribe right now and hit that bell button, you'll get notified every time I go live and when I post new videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of fun today. I'm glad I beat the snowstorm home. As always, please don't forget to go like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep smiling and happy picking. Bye, guys.